Alright, here's my winter bike check. I've got Diamondback bar end. The other one broke off because they're really bad. Diamondback grips. Brake lever from Next Static. Next Static bars. This part on the stem is from a Next Static. The stem bolts are from a Vertical. The bottom spot on the stem is from a Next Static. The headset is 1-inch threaded unsealed standard. Frame is a 2008 or 2007 Next Static frame. It's aluminum. The fork is a stock one from the Next Static. Mongoose front wheel. 3/8 unsealed front hub with straight lacing pattern to a awesome single wall front rim. That's really untrue. Mongoose front tire. Cold forged cranks. Mongoose 40-tooth chain wheel. Really rusty chain. I just can't, look at the rust, it's just everywhere. The chain is connected to a back wheel from a Next Shakedown. Actually, no, it's not. This particular one is actually from a Vertical. It's got an 18-tooth freewheel. Extra washers because the frame's all chewed up. Static pegs in the front and back. Next step pedals, Tektro U-brake. Next Static seat. The seat post is from Next Shakedown. Seat post clamp is from my Next Static. My back tire is from a Next Shakedown, and the back rim is a single wall 48 hole rim. I think I forget anything. Oh yeah, that's an American unsealed mid baby. Oh, and the cranks are also from a Next Static. A Next Shakedown. Shakedown's a racing bike, so. Mongoose was a freestyle bike. Mongoose parts are, and the Next Static is what this bike originally was. But I've got a lot of the stock parts back on it. But from the 4 cheap bikes that I've had, just because it's fun to mess around with a winter bike, even though this thing is really a pile right now. But it's super tough because it's, and here's what the hub sounds like. I'll just do a quick spin because I'm sure you guys are really interested in hearing this. Oh yeah, that sounds just like. Here's what it looks like from this, right? On all these spots and me grinding or attempting to grind. Okay, here's our chew my front rim is. Very chew. No wobble at all. My frame's not scratched or anything. It's the whole bike is. I consider the whole bike to be mint condition. Anybody who wants to buy this, just post a comment on the price. The minimum price I have going for this thing is $250 because it's all the finest parts from your local Walmart.